Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am introduce elegant gown outfit. This beautifully designed gown outfit is crafted of a perfect blend of elegance, comfort, and timeless style, made with a premium quality fabric. It drapes gracefully over the body, enhancing your natural silhouette while providing a luxurious feel. Ideal for women who appreciate refined fashion, this gown is a statement of effortlessly beauty, premium fabric, and superior craftsmanship. The gown is tailored using soft, breathable, and skin-friendly material that enhances comfort throughout the day or night. Fine stitching, detailing finish, and durable fabric quality make this outfit suitable for long-term wear while maintaining its rich appearance. Stylish design and flattering fit, featuring a well-structured cut and flowing length. This gown creates a flattering fit for all body types. The elegant neckline, subtle embellishments, and smooth fall of the fabric add a sophistication charm that elevate your overall look, perfect for every occasion. This versatile gown is ideal for weddings, formal celebrations, special events. It can easily transition from graceful daytime look to glamorous evening assembles with the right accessories. Comfort meets elegance. Designed with comfort in mind, the gown allows ease of movement without compromising on style. Lightweight fabric and relaxed fit make it suitable for extended wear, keeping you confident and comfortable all day long. Easy styling and maintenance. Wear this gown with heel statement jewelry or matching clutch for a polished look. The fabric is easy to maintain and resist its shape and color after multiple washes, making it practical yet stylish wardrobe essential. Graceful gown outfit. This executively gown outfit designed to reflect elegance, femininity, and modern sophistication with its flowing silhouette and refined structure. The gown enhances the natural beauty while offering a regular and polished appearance. Every detail is thoroughly crafted to make you feel confident, graceful, and effortlessly stylish. Luxurious fabric selection crafted from high quality breathable fabric. This gown provides a soft touch against the skin while maintaining a rich and elegant fall. The material allows proper airflow, making it comfortable for long hours of wear, while its smooth textures add luxurious finish to the overall look. Intricate detailing and fine finishing. The gown features carefully executed stitching, delicate embellishments, and flawless finishing that highlight expert craftsmanship. Subtle design elements and pleats, embroidery accents, or minimal decorative touches elevate the outfit without overpowering its graceful appeal. Flattering silhouette and perfect fit designed to complement various body types, the gown offers a well-balanced fit that enhances curves while maintaining comfort. The flowing fabric length and tailoring upper structure create a flattering profile, ensuring a confident and elegant look from every angle. Versatile styling option. This gown outfit can be styled in multiple ways to suit different occasion. Pair it with statement jewelry for a formal look, or keep understated yet elegant appearance. Heels or embellishment flats complement the outfit beautifully. Ideal for its special occasions, perfect for weddings, engagements, ceremonies, festive celebration, formal dinners, evening parties, and cultural events. These gowns make a memorable style statement. Its timeless design ensure remain fashionable across seasons. This gown outfit can be styled in multiple ways to suit different occasions. Pair it with statement jewelry for a formal look, or keep it minimal with soft accessories for an understated yet elegant appearance. Heels or embellishment flats complete the outfit beautifully. Ideal for special occasions, perfect for weddings, engagement ceremonies, festive occasions, formal dinners, and evening parties, and cultural events. This gown makes a memorable style statement. Its timeless design ensures it remains fashionable across seasons. Comfort for extended wear. The lightweight nature of the fabric allows ease of movement, making it suitable for long events. The gown is designed to keep you relaxed and confident even during extended wear without feeling heavy or restrictive. Effortless maintenance and durability. This gown outfit is easy to care for, maintains its color, textures, and structure even after multiple washes. High quality fabrics ensure long lasting durability, making it a valuable addition to any wardrobe. A timeless wardrobe essential with its elegant design and premium finish. This gown outfit is a timeless piece that never goes out of style. Whether worn for a grand celebration and intimate gatherings, it promises a refined and unforgettable look. Timeless elegance gown outfit. This stunning gown outfit is a true expression of grace, sophistication, and modern femininity, designed to make lasting impression. The gown flows effortlessly with every movement, creating a regular, refined appearance. Its elegant structure and graceful length bring together classic charm and contemporary fashion, making it stand up piece for any wardrobe. Execute fabric quality and feel. Made from carefully selected premium fabric, this gown offers soft, smooth, and luxurious touch against the skin. The breathable material ensures maximum comfort while maintaining a rich drape and polished finish. The fabric natural shine add depth and dimension, enhancing the gown overall visual appeal. Masterful tailoring and attention to detail. Every stitch of this gown reflects superior craftsmanship, fine tailoring, precise skirts, and Detailing finishing ensure a flawless fit and long-lasting durability. Subtle design essence such as refined seams, graceful pleats, or elegant embellishment elevate the outfit while preserving sophistication balance. Flattering, structured, and flowing silhouette. This gown is thoroughly designed to suit a wide range of body types. Its structured upper portion provides support and definitions, while the flowing lower half creates a graceful silhouette, and the balanced design enhances the natural curves while without compromising comfort, allowing confident and elegance movement. Elegant neckline and sleeves designs featuring a tasteful design neckline and well proportional sleeves. The gown offers a modest yet fashionable look, whether adorned with minimal detailing or kept clean and simple. These elements add refinement and elevate the overall aesthetic of the outfit. Versatile styling possibilities. This gown adapts effortlessly to styling needs. Pair it with bold jewelry and heels for formal events, or opt for delicate accessories for a soft and elegant look. It complements tradition, modern, and fusion styling, making it suitable for diverse fashion preservance and perfect for choice grand occasions, ideal for wedding, reception, engagement parties, festive celebrations, formal gatherings, cultural events, and evening gatherings. This gown ensures memorable and graceful appearance. Its timeless design allows it to be worn season after season without losing its charm. Designed for all-day comfort, despite its luxury appearance, the gown is lightweight and easy to wear. Breathable fabric, relaxed structure provides ease of movement, making it comfortable for extended wear during long celebration events. Durable, practical, and easy to maintain. The high-quality fabric is designed to retain its color, shape, and texture over time. Easy maintenance ensures that the gown remains as beautiful as the first wear, offering both style and practicality for everyday elegance or special occasions. A statement, luxury, confidence. This gown outfit is more than just clothing; it is a statement of confidence, elegance, and refined taste. Whether worn for grand celebration or intimate gatherings, it enhances your presence with effortlessly sophistication, timeless beauty. Execute luxury gown outfit. Step into a world of elegance and sophistication with this meticulously designed gown outfit. Every element from fabric choice to silhouette is carefully curated to deliver a flawless combination of style, comfort, and timeless grace. This gown is a symbol of refined femininity and perfect for women who want to make lasting impression. Premium fabric and opulent textures, crafted using the finest high-quality material. This gown executes luxury at every touch. The soft, breathable fabric, lightweight and drapes effortlessly, allowing natural movement while maintaining its execute structure. The subtle sheen of material enhances the gown elegance, reflecting light beautifully for a regular photogenic appearance. Intricate handcrafted details. The gown features intricate embellishment, delicate embroidery, lace inserts, or beadworks, demonstrating masterful craftsmanship. Every stitch is executed with precision to ensure durability, elegance, and a perfect finish. These execute details elevate the gown beyond ordinary fashion, creating a piece that is truly timeless. Flattering silhouette for every body type with its flowing lines and expertly tailored fit. This gown complements all body shapes. The structured upper sections provide definition, while the flowing skirt add grace and movement. Designed to enhance natural curves, the gown ensures a confident, poised, and elegant appearance from every angle. Elegant neckline sleeve style, whether it features a classic round neckline and V shape or subtle boat neck, this gown enhances elegance while maintaining a tasteful and sophisticated sleeves design for full length to airy and delicate, add refined touch to the outfit, balancing modern trends with timeless style. Versatile styling options. This gown can be styled to suit a variety of occasions. Pair it with sparkling jewelry, statement heel, and a chic clutch, or weddings, receptions, or festive events for a softer, more understated look. Minimal accessories create effortless elegance, suitable for formal dinners or cultural celebration, perfect for every grand occasions, ideal for weddings, engagements, ceremonies, bridal events, formal parties, festive celebration, evening galas, and red carpet events. Its versatile design ensures you can wear it year after year without ever feeling outdated. This gown turns head and leave a memorable impression whether you go all day comfort without compromise. Despite its opulent design, the gown prioritizes comfort, lightweight fabric, breathable material, and carefully tailoring ensure ease of movement during long events. You can enjoy a full day of night and celebration without sacrificing comfort and style. Durability and easy care. Made of glass, this gown retains its luxurious textures, color, and shape even after repeated wear. Easy to maintain, fabric allow you to enjoy elegance without the stress of high maintenance. A keen making it a practical addition to your wardrobe. A statement piece for a timeless elegance. This gown outfit is more than a garment, it is an expression of sophistication, confidence, and grace. Ideal for women who appreciate style, details, and quality, it promises to make you the center attention to any occasion, from special events or grand celebration. This gown defines luxury fashion and luxury material, premium fabric, comfort and elegance, expert craftsmanship, handcrafted details, and fine stitching, versatile and timeless, perfect for multiple occasions, comfortable fit, flowing silhouette with ease of movement, durable and practical, maintains shape and textures, and color sophisticated style enhances confidence and elegance. Execute handcrafted details. Attention to detail is a hallmark of this gown, from delicate embroidery and beadwork to lace appliques and sequined accents. Every embellishment is carefully handcrafted, fine stitching, pleats, ruffle, or subtle folds are designed to enhance texture without overwhelming the elegance of the gown. Flattering silhouette and structure. The gown is engineered to complement every body type. Fitted bodies highlights your natural curves, flowing in or mermaid skirts add grace and drama, refined waistline, accurates femininity, balance of proportions, ensure elegance for all ages, whether standing, walking, or dancing. The gown moves beautifully, maintaining a regular presence at every step. Elegant neckline and sleeve variations. The gown is available in multiple stylish options to suit your taste. Classic round or scoop necklines, timeless and flattering. V neckline adds sophistication and elevates the torso. Off shoulder illusion sleeves, modern feminine charm. Long flowing sleeve, perfect for formal culture events. Cap over flatter sleeves add softness and subtle elegance. Versatile styling for every occasion. This gown can be paired with accessories and styling option to create multiple looks. Bridal or engagement event, pair it with the crystal jewelry for a statement clutch and elegant heels. Evening cocktail parties, minimal accessories, bold lipstick and minimal shoes. Festival culture gathering, traditional jewelry, embellishments, sandals and layer hairstyles. It's versatile, ensure you look stunning whether attending formal, festive, and semi-formal event, perfect for all grand occasions. This gown is ideal for weddings, engagement parties, receptions, red carpet events, galas, dinners, cultural celebrations, festive gatherings, and formal social events. Its timeless design ensures it remains fashionable across seasons, making it a wardrobe essential for its life. Most memorable moments, comfortable made luxury. Despite its grandeur, the gown prioritizes comfort, lightweight layers, allow easy movement, breathable fabric, prevent overheating during long events, relax yet structured fit, ensure you remain confident and ease. You can enjoy hours of celebration, dancing, and photo moments without feeling restricted and uncomfortable, durable, and practical design. The gown is designed for long lasting wear, high quality fabric, retain their color, shine, and shape even after multiple wears, easy to maintain material, allow practical upkeep without sacrificing luxury, making it perfect for frequent use or special occasions. A statement of confidence and style. This gown is more than fashion; it is statement. Wearing it signifies elegance, comfort, and confidence and impeccable taste. It enhances your natural voice, making you that cater of attention where you go. Each detail is carefully curated to leave a lasting impression of sophistication and charm. Color and pattern option available in a wide range of luxurious color, classic neutral, ivory being, campaign, bold hues, emerald green, royal blue, deep maroon, and soft pastel blush pink, lavender, mint green, metallic accents, gold, silver, bronze highlights. Patterns may include floral embroidery, geometric lace, sequin motifs, or minimal solid tones for a timeless, versatile look.